I'm Geoff Burnstock, born in London. I suppose I'm a bit of a rebel in the sense that I don't follow automatically and have total faith in established attitudes and doctrines. I'm a questioner. I was asked recently by a PhD student what I look for in a scientist. I said good intellect is useful, but not the only thing. Manipulative skills, imagination, courage if you find something that doesn't fit established doctrines, resilience because science is tough, passion. You must be passionate. If you're not really concerned to succeed, you don't succeed. I guess my main scientific contribution has been involved in challenging established doctrines. The first one was in Melbourne University when we discovered that there are non-adrenergic, non-cholinergic neurotransmitters. The second one was to challenge the long accepted idea that ATP is an intracellular energy source, but what we showed was that it is also an extracellular signaling molecule. Adenosine triphosphate, ATP, was one of the earliest biological molecules. I challenged a major pharmacological principle, Dale's principle, that one nerve releases only one neurotransmitter, and I established the field of co-transmission with particular emphasis on ATP being a co-transmitter in every known nerve in both the peripheral and central nervous system. The field has expanded in the most remarkable way. When I made the first discovery about ATP as a neurotransmitter, for the first 20 years nobody believed in it much. The last 10 years there have been one discovery after another about the therapeutic potential of this system. So there are thousands of people now all over the world working on different diseases. I've just written a major review on the therapeutic potential of purinergic signaling, which is causing quite a stir. I'm really very honoured and flattered to come back after 42 years in London and be received so warmly by my Australian scientific colleagues. It's an enormous pleasure for me.